Conversation 1.
I like your family photos. Who is this?
That is my dad. He is a doctor.
Wow, he's very tall.
Yes, he is.
Is this your mum?
Yes, she is a doctor too.
Wow, smart family.
Conversation 2.
Who are these people?
That is my husband. In this picture, he is at work.
Is he a fireman?
Yes, he is. And this is my daughter.
Wow, she is so cute.
Yes, she is cute. Conversation 3.
Who are the people in this picture?
That is my older brother and younger sister.
Oh, what do they do?
My sister is a pilot. My brother is a farmer.
Wow, they have cool jobs.
Yes, they do. Conversation 4.
And who are these people?
Those are my grandparents.
Oh, do they live in town?
No, they live in the country. They have a farm.
How nice.
Yeah, I go there often.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am very hot.
Is the air con on? Alt. Is the air conditioning on?
No, it is off.
Can I turn it on?
Yes, please do.
Is your house big?
Yes, it is pretty big.
Is it new?
No, it is very old.
Is it nice?
Not really. I want to move.
I like your shoes. Are they new?
Yes, I just got them.
Are they expensive?
No, they are very cheap.
Are they from the discount show shop?
Yes. How did you guess?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, let's get some.
Is the pizza shop still open?
Yes, it is open 24.
Conversation 1.
So, what foods do you like?
I like ice cream and pizza and apples.
Ooh, I like those foods too.
What foods do you like?
I like fish, vegetables, and bananas.
Together?
No, not together.
Conversation 2.
What drinks do you like?
I like tea. And I like juice.
Ooh, hot tea or cold tea?
Both. What about you?
I like coffee and hot chocolate.
Ooh, I like both too. Conversation